Hi there, I'm Brian, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of everything we've built in Campuswire so far. You can think of Campuswire as the home base for your class Q&A, announcements, and discussion. Most important parts of Campuswire are the class feed, which are basically where you can ask questions and get help from instructors and fellow classmates, chat rooms, which are basically group messaging within Campuswire, and then direct messages, which is where you can reach out one-on-one directly to your classmates, your TAs, or your instructors. So let's start with the class feed. In the class feed, this is basically what a Campuswire question looks like. We support multiple answers. There's instructor answers and student answers. You can upvote your classmates' answers, and professors can also endorse student answers to mark them as the correct answer. There's a comment section with real-time messaging. This is built to be a space for side conversations or any new ideas that questions or answers might raise. Anywhere you can type in Campuswire, we have a real-time markdown and LaTeX preview. So there's what our LaTeX looks like. We also have GIFs and emojis that you can use. Anywhere you can send a message in Campuswire. Campuswire also supports anonymous posting. This is something your instructor can turn on or off, but it gives you the ability to post a question anonymously, to answer anonymously, or to send a message anonymously. Campuswire also includes duplicate question prevention. So as you're typing your question, you'll see some similar results. If your question is about problem set 3, question 4, you can click right there to get the help you need. Your private drafts will live right here above the class feed, and there's a section for pinned posts that instructors can pin anything important right to the top of the feed so everyone can see it right away. Another important aspect of Campuswire is the reputation system. So if your instructor turns on reputation, right next to your name you'll see a score and a little emoji. This is how we're tracking your reputation on Campuswire. You'll start at level 0, and you'll have the ability to level all the way up to Bald Eagle. We'll be giving you points for answering questions and receiving upvotes from classmates on your answers. So the idea is that the better quality answer you provide, the more quickly your reputation score will increase. Professors can use reputation points to give bonus points, to get participation credit, or just to check in on how engaged you are on Campuswire. Next part of Campuswire are chat rooms. These are really effective for discussion sections, for document sharing, for project teams, or even for virtual office hours. Students will have the ability to create a room. You can join any public room, and then private rooms are also an option that professors can enable or disable. A nice thing about Campuswire is that it gives you multiple workspaces with rooms and with different classes and groups. So for example, this could be an entire program right here. All members of this program could be enrolled in this class. Then for a specific class thread or for an individual course, it can be broken down into smaller groups and then into chat rooms within that course. So it gives you a lot more flexibility in terms of creating different groups. Anything that you need Campuswire for, you can create a group for it. It can be a study group, a project team, or an entire department if you want. So it gives you a little more flexibility with creating different workspaces and keeping all of your communication organized. Last thing we built in Campuswire are these direct messages. This is just a nice way to reach out directly to classmates, instructors, or TAs if you need help. This is a feature that can always be disabled if you prefer. You can prevent anyone from directly messaging you. We've also built dark mode, an entire system of customizable email notifications. Campuswire includes an iOS app and an Android app, so you can get notified however you'd like to about any new messages or any new questions being asked. That's pretty much everything we've built in Campuswire so far. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any other questions, and I hope you enjoy using us. Thanks.